Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, quick and easy card. We're going to need 2 distress oxide inks, happy birthday cutting die, a beautiful Garland Terrace Decorative Mini Die Set by Tonic Studios, and as you can see, it is in Art Deco style, and you can put the panel on both of the sides on the main cutting die. Also, we're going to need this beautiful Rose Butterfly Die Set by Apple Blossom, and that will give us our focal element. I also have 6 by 6 inches card base, a little bit smaller front panel that will give us beautiful background, and from Rinea Foiled Papers I've got Ebony, Lavender, Violet and Gold. First we're going to start with our background, and this is the card I showed you a few seconds ago, and we're going to use ink blending tool to create the beautiful background. For your card you can choose any 2 distress oxide inks. They don't have to be in picked Raspberry and Wilted Violet. You can choose any 2 colors that you like. I wanted to have a really vivid card. That's why I went with purple, pink and gold, because violet and yellow are opposite colors, and that will give me really nice effects. In the top right corner, you can also see my other project for Rinea, which is a heart full of flowers. You can check that video. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, when you use that ink blending technique, it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to do some die cuts later on. And all the names of the products I use in this video you can find in the description down below. Now we can distress all the edges. If you don't have this tool, you can also use the side of your scissors. That will work exactly the same. And if the paper tears, that's absolutely fine, because that will give us a little bit old look, and that's what we're going to do here, because I wanted to give this card a little bit old and modern look at the same time. And using that tool, it gives me like tone paper, and also with the beautiful gold I will have that modern effect. Now we're going to need double-sided tape, and I put it at the back of the ebony and gold Rinea Foiled Paper. I'm going to die cut Happy Birthday from ebony Rinea Foiled Paper, and from the gold I'm going to use these beautiful decorative elements from Tonic Studios. I wonder if you have ever used purple and gold together on your cards. If you have, please let me know. How did you like it? I think this is really unique color combination. That's why I chose it. As you can see, I also die cut these beautiful butterflies from Violet and Lavender Rinea Foiled Papers. And now it's time to peel off all that double-sided tape. From the back, I really encourage you to use pokey tool to save some time. This is really easy. You can also use liquid glue. However, double-sided tape works really quickly and it's perfect for any project with Rinea Foiled Papers. As you can see, you don't really have to be super perfect here, because these decorative elements are just so beautiful, and our ink blending on the background just works absolutely fine. I also wonder if you have ever used Art Deco style in your cards. If you have, can you please let me know in the comments down below? I would really like to know. This one is one of my favorite styles of all. I'm using double-sided tape, red liner tape for the butterflies, and I was actually checking which one I prefer more, to have the darker or lighter color at the top. And as you can see, I'm using pokey tool just to help to put the double-sided tape on the body of our butterfly. As you can see, this card is super easy and quick to create, and Rinea Foiled Paper is absolutely amazing because it catches the light really beautifully. If you have never ever used it, I really encourage you to do it. In the description down below, you will have the link to the Rinea website, also my written tutorial for this project, the design team for Rinea, and also my other projects I created with Rinea Foiled Papers. Going back to our project, as you can see, I was using pokey tool to peel off the double-sided tape from this cutting, and I'm just smoothing the surface with my finger. Now I'm going to apply my front panel on the card base using my totally favorite one and only liquid glue. And our card is done. As you can see, super simple, quick, and the effect is absolutely stunning. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you felt inspired to create something with the same color combination or with a butterfly. Thank you so much for watching, and on the left you can see this beautiful project I created with Rinea Foiled Papers with the sea turtle, and on the right you can also see my water lily pond. Have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!